Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable microphone access on your iPhone. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, in order to give microphone access to any particular application in your mobile phone, all you have to do is just simply open Settings, go down and look for Privacy and Security. Select that particular option, and on this particular page, you get an option of location, tracking, and you get much more options, but you have to go down and look for microphone option. Now once you select microphone, you will get a list of application which is present in your iPhone. Now for some application, you can see I have given the microphone access, and for some application I am not giving microphone access. So you can just check out the application. You can decide it for yourself whether that application needs microphone access or not. And if you think that it does not need microphone access, then you can simply turn off the toggle like this. So if you are using Instagram and for video calls, if you think you need microphone access, then you can keep it on, and you can do the same thing for other apps as well. So yes, just check out all the applications properly and do the necessary changes. So this is how simple it is to enable microphone, or you can just simply give microphone access to multiple applications on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.